Another countryside escape for me. Yippee! Lucky boy. I'm just getting some fishing tackle ready actually, because I'm going fishing on the canal with my dad for a couple of hours. And then I will retire back to the boat for the night on my own. Sit watching that float for hours and hours and hours and it won't move. At least if I was watching paint drying on the wall, it would change colour and it would dry. Oh dear. Fishermen. How stupid a fisherman. Cobs and cups of tea and he's happy. I don't think you're going to eat 3 cobs there. No, I've had some lunch before I came out. I'm sitting here by the canal with my fishing rod like a little gnome. They probably catch more than me though in the garden ponds. Nothing's touching my nice juicy worm yet. Well, at least I'm in the countryside and not sitting at home watching TV. What a mess! Oh, sun's coming out to play a bit now. It's still windy though, the wind keeps coming and going. Woohoo! I've just seen a kingfisher a minute ago. It flew all the way across there. I didn't have my phone now to record it, but they're too fast, they are. Difficult to record them. Greedy little worm gobbling perch. Oh, keep your light. Oh, lovely. Well done, mate. That's a nice bream, Dad. Well done, the biggest so far. Well done, biggest fish so far. The old timer's beating me. And that's the end of that. I'm off back to the boat. It wasn't a very good fishing session. We only had 2 or 3 bites each. We both caught something each, but yeah, my dad caught the bigger one. Right, back at base camp. And dinner tonight consists of a mango and other things pizza from Aldi. It's not expensive. And some extra crispy chips. What it doesn't consist of tonight is tomato sauce on the chips, because for some reason that's gone mouldy, and it's only a few weeks old. I don't know why it's gone mouldy. Luckily I've got some supplies, sachets of stuff. Oh, there's some Nando's dipping sauce. That'll do on the chips. Oh, that window's filthy, I need to clean that. Good thing about this boat is all these windows all lift out from the inside. How's about that? That's easy to clean. cobwebs. Clean the outside of the window without getting on the boat roof and hanging around the boat. I'll do the other side as well. Easy as pie. Bit later than I planned, but voila, there is my dinner. Yum yum yum. I'm going to enjoy that. Now, I've got no idea why somebody's letting fireworks off. I've got a personal firework display for some reason in the village. Wow. There's a few car alarms going off. Oh, I can hear some ducks quacking on the canal in the background. I have no idea why there's a firework display going off around someone's house, but it's someone who's got loads of money. This is nearly as good as the one I seen in Whitby Regatta a couple of weeks ago. Alarms. Woo! Round of applause. My oldest lad Joshua's come down to see me for an hour, so he's on the boat with me. Well, what a treat, Joshua. What a treat. Free fireworks display. Wow. Well, that was fantastic. I thought the signal weren't very good.
It's not.
What a treat. You've come down to see me and I've treated you to a free firework display.
Oh, much appreciated.
Lots of sheep staring at us. Look at all their eyes. Just out with some night vision goggles. We're just scanning the field to see if we can see any rabbits or foxes, badgers, whatever. Wow. Absolutely only us two animals out tonight. No animals out whatsoever. Not even a bunny rabbit. Now you won't believe that those that night vision device that Josh is using was £35. That's all. 35 quid, and you can see in the dark, and it records, and it's got Wi-Fi. Wow. It's absolutely, yeah, wow. It's absolutely amazing for that money that you can see in the dark. It's usable. You can download the footage to your phone. It's fantastic. Rubbish tonight though, because there's no animals out. Look at all them lazy sods just sitting there. Shame you didn't see no bunny rabbits. See you in the morning when I decide to come home. See you, mate. Right, it's about 10:30, nearly my bedtime. Looks a nice morning. Look at that to wake up to. There's where me and my dad were fishing yesterday. It wasn't very good, we didn't catch much, but same as my dad tells everybody who walks past, and they ask him, has he caught out? No, not much, but I'm not at work. He's always said that. It's in the countryside with wildlife and nature and stuff, and we're seeing a kingfisher fly past, you know, and he tells everyone, well, at least I'm not at work. And he is bang on. He is absolutely bang on. Well, it's about 9:15 Sunday morning and I'm off out on a walk. Slight breeze, sun's in the sky, t-shirt on because it's warm and my sunglasses on. There's so many walks around here. I'm forever walking. Really, I just use my boat as a base. That's the base camp, and then I'm out all the while doing some fishing or walking. I just love walking. There's so much to explore around here. That's why it's a really popular place for hikers. What an amazing day to get out in the countryside. Right, that's another little countryside adventure over with. So back to reality for me. If you like some of the stuff that I do, then please like, share and subscribe.